Abused youths and young offenders between 16 and 18 years old may soon receive more protection after amendments to child protection laws were tabled in Parliament today. Li Ying with more.
Youths between 16 and 18 may be on the cusp of adulthood, but they may not be mature enough to make the right decisions. Their chances of rehabilitation and reintegration may soon be better under proposed laws. The changes to the Children and Young Persons Act seek to extend protection to more youths by raising the age limit from 16 to 18. This will allow offenders between these ages to appear before the youth court by default. Currently, they are treated as adults before the courts. Under the new laws, those who have completed youth court orders will not have a criminal record. While those in the youth services sector support the move, there are some who voice concerns. This is because children of a wider age range means more different needs to cater to, and rehabilitating them in the same residential facility could be a challenge.
We'll be discussing about this from time to time if this act materializes in time. I think three aspects. First aspect is our manpower needs itself. Perhaps we need to also upgrade our staff in terms of caring for this category of youth. Infrastructure-wise, we must also cater for, which means that perhaps there are also more capacities improvement, beds count and things as such we need to enhance. And we also need to make sure that our interventions remain relevant for this group of youth 16 to 18 years old moving forward.
Vulnerable children will also benefit from a new Enhanced Care and Protection Order, or ECPO. In cases where parents are unable to make decisions for a child or are uncontactable, the order will give designated caregivers the power to do so. They include foster parents and those in charge of child or young persons' homes. The order can be in place till the child turns 21. There are safeguards for more sensitive decisions. For example, in healthcare or education-related matters, caregivers can only make decisions after consulting the Social and Family Development Ministry. For big decisions like changing of names, the ministry will have to apply to court, which will have the final say. The bill also seeks to provide better support to foster parents like 59-year-old Anne Lau. She is set to get 6 days of childcare leave per year, the same accorded to natural parents. She's currently looking after a 7-year-old girl.
I have at least 2 occasions when my foster child was having high fever and the childcare call. With this current childcare leave, it will help us, because if the child is sick, then we could take the childcare leave and then we could bring her for doctor appointment, dental appointment, and meet teachers appointment.
The bill will be debated at the next Parliament sitting.